capital and small cursive letters stroke. How to write in 4-line notebooks online properly. We have already learned capital and small cursive A to T. Now I am showing you how to write a stroke before writing A, B, C, D. Look here. 4 lines are there. Red line, first blue line, second blue line, red line. Now look here. Curve, second blue line, 2 red lines, slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. This is first stroke. This is first stroke. Now second stroke, look here. First stroke, first you have to curve, blue line to red line, slanting line, tip it up and come down to the second blue line. This is second stroke. And once again, look here, curve, go slowly up, touch to the red line, come down, touch to the second blue line, go on this line only, touch to the first blue line and now this is third stroke. Now look here, curve, go up with slanting line, touch to the red line, come down, slanting line, touch to the second blue line, go up and this is complete the knot. Which letter is this? Capital cursive A. Which letter is this? Capital cursive A. Look here, this is three steps of capital cursive A. This is 3 stroke. Understood all of you? Then you also practice like this in your home. Now how to write second small cursive A? Look here. 2 blue red line, first blue line, second blue line and red line. Then slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. First stroke is slanting line. Then second stroke, come on to this stroke, curve. This is second stroke. And now look here, curve, slanting line, touch to the first blue line, come down with curve and go up. This is the third curve. And this is slanting line, curve, come down with curve, go up straight and come again down. This is small cursive A. Small cursive A. This is small cursive A. Look here, 3 strokes are there of small cursive. Slanting line, little bit curve and up here, and then we completed the small cursive A. Understood all of you? Okay. Now look here students properly. Look here. Now we have learned the capital and small cursive A with the help of stroke. Now I am going to teach you capital and small cursive B with the help of stroke. Now look here, 4 lines are there. Red line, first blue line, second blue line and red line. Now look here. All of you properly pay attention. Students, red line to second blue line, standing line. Which line is this? Slanting line, little bit curve. This is first stroke. And now look here, red line to for second blue line. This is second and go up, little bit This is the second curve. Understood all of you? This is the second stroke of B. Now, one more stroke. Look here. Red line to blue line. Standing line. Go up with the curve. And this is your first curve. Touch to the first blue line. Touch to the first blue line. And last is red line to blue line. Standing line. Go up. Touch to the red line. This is your first curve. Touch to the first blue line. And this is your second curve. Touch to the second line. Now which letter is this? Capital cursive B. Capital cursive B. Now how to write small cursive B? Look here. I am going to teach you with the help of stroke. Look here all of you. Red line, first blue line, second blue line. From second blue line we are going to start. Slanting line. Touch to the red line and come back. This is first stroke of small cursive B. And this is your second stroke. Look here. Slanting line. Slanting line. Come down with the help of curve. Standing line. This is second stroke. And once more look here. Slanting line. Touch to the first red line. Come down with the help of standing line. Touch to the second blue line and go up. This is your third stroke of small cursive B. Now once more look here. Slanting line. Come down with the help of standing line. Touch to the second blue line. Go up and make a knot, little bit knot. Which letter we completed? Small cursive B. Now look here, with the help of stroke we have completed capital cursive B and small cursive B. Oh. Now already we have learned with the help of stroke capital cursive A, small cursive A, capital cursive B, small cursive B. Now we are going to learn which letter. Who is going to tell me? Capital and small cursive C. How to write with the help of stroke. Look here. Red line, first blue line, second blue line and red line. Now first stroke is slant. Red. First, second blue line to red line we go up with the help of slant and little bit curve. This is first stroke. Now look here. Second curve, slanting lines, second blue line to red line, go up and curve, come down with the help of that line only and come down and turn. This is your second stroke. And slanting line, red, blue line, second blue line to red line, touch to the red line, curve and come down with the help of that line only and complete this curve. Which letter is this? Capital cursive C. Now look here how to write small cursive C. Red line, first blue line, second blue line and red line. Only we are going to write only blue lines only. Look here. Second blue line to first blue line, slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line and little bit And second is slanting line. Go up, touch to the first blue line, come down and curve. Which letter is this? Small cursive C.